It's Dawat Islami. It's a word to rectify the people. It's all over the world.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Khalid Mahmood, Member of Parliament for Birmingham, Perry-Barr. Welcome the work that you're doing in respect of that. And I think it's important that the issues that we've highlighted in the discussion, and more importantly, the lack of religious fundamental education that we don't have, that young children have no understanding of. And it's important, and I've been saying this for a long time, there needs to be organization within the Muslim community that provides proper understanding of religious teachings, and I'm grateful that you're doing that now. I'm extremely grateful to Dawat Islami for the work that they're carrying out in the UK particularly. I know that they do work across the world in relation to that, but I think it's important that work that Dawat Islami is doing in the UK, particularly with young people and with particularly people in my own area, in Witten New Centre, which I have connections with, and we're working together with them. And that's important for young people to have a proper understanding of their religion. And I think you do that through Madani Channel, which has been a great tool and a huge advantage. I know that my mother is always on Madani Channel and making sure that we all watch Madani Channel. It's important that we have that sort of understanding in the households for families. And if mothers have an understanding of that, the children will have an understanding of that. So for that, we are eternally grateful, because it's important to keep the religious heritage of the communities in diaspora in the United Kingdom. And you do that to a huge advantage just for the whole of the Ummah. And I think it's important that we continue that. Fundamentally and hugely important that the correct teaching is given to young Muslims in the United Kingdom. As we've seen, a considerable number have been taken away from the true meaning of Islam by those people that want to bring them into extremism. And I think the work that you're doing through Madani Channel would bring a lot of those back into the true understanding of the peace of Islam that is needed, and stop young people going into extremism but leaving their families as well. What you're doing, the work that you're doing through Madani Channel, allows us to keep those families together and keep the faith of true Islam together. This all is a huge credit to Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Qadri Sahib, who have initiated this movement, and this movement has permeated like water through sand, and it is a huge movement. It continues because it's based on equality, fairness and justice, and that is what Islam is about, and that is what this movement has done, and that is why it has propagated so significantly, not just in the United Kingdom, not just in Pakistan, but across the whole of the world. And I pay a huge tribute to the work that they're doing through all of the mechanisms that they have.
It's Dawat Islami. It's a word to rectify the people. It's all